Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video I'm going to talk about gift card, because people on my channel have been asking me on how to use gift card. So I'm going to explain the steps for you on how to make use of a gift card. So guys, I'm going to focus on gift card because gift card can only be given to the people on your down link. Okay, can be given to the people on your downlink. Why this hash card can be given to anyone? Okay, can give your hash card to anyone, but in today's video we'll be focusing on this gift card. Okay, so the uses of this gift card is used for to increase your minings. Okay, gift card is used to increase your mining, but now the Satoshi core mining has stopped. It is no longer mining again. But what Core said about this hash card is this hash is for you to keep on collecting your hash. So guys, let me give you an illustration for you to understand more better. So I'm gonna pick my drawing tool. You can see by your left hand side you'll be seeing having gift card here, and I'm going to show you how to make use of this your gift card. So we have the gift card and the benefits of this gift card, and then on this top left corner hand you're gonna see my hash. Okay, basically before this core stopped mining, this hash was to enable you increase your mining. Okay, as your hash increases, the more core you'll be getting. But now the core mining has stopped, but Caldwell said that it is necessary for you to keep on getting this hash because it will be useful. So that is why it is still necessary to have to increase your hash. Okay, to keep on getting this hash, it is very necessary to keep on increasing your hash rate. Okay, so now how can you use this gift card? This is what I'm going to explain on this video. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, or you're on my Telegram group, you have not subscribed to my channel, do want to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, because so many people out there doesn't know how to make use of this gift card, in which I also didn't know how to make use of this gift card on time, because I would have used it to increase my core. I would have gotten enough core if I knew how to use the gift card. Okay, and I didn't start mining on time. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use it. Okay, and this is not going to by the time you claim this gift card, it's not going to increase anything for you. Okay, it's not going, because what is remaining here is just airdrop. We are getting airdrop, so this hash card will not increase anything here. You just need to accumulate them, because Cole said we should keep on collecting the hash card. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my gift card. Like I said, gift card can be used to increase your mining rate, but for now there is nothing to mine again except for the airdrop. So somebody asked a question on how to make use of this gift card. Remember, I'm going to explain to you. Now we have here, you can see on this video, I have so many gift cards. I have 10 gift cards, and I've not used any of this gift card. Okay, now this gift card we are supposed to be giving to my referrals, people under my team. Remember, note, this gift card, use it for the people, anybody you invite. You're going to copy out this code. Copy out this code here. Just need to click on copy. Then any person that uses your referral link, that's your team, anybody that register via your referral link, then you give this person a gift by sending this code for the person. And once the person copy this code, send this code to that person, and then there will be a space here. You'll see a space here just for newbies. Okay, but for those of you that have already used this card, it's not for you. For newbies, okay, only newbies that will see use gift card. I have used gift card because I have not used my gift card. Okay, so if you're a person, you registered under my link, you can just chat me up on the Telegram channel, my Telegram group, and I will send you a gift card. So by the time I click use gift card, if I click on this use gift card, a code, you see, please enter the gift card use code. Okay, now you're going to enter the gift card. Okay, so let me explain again. You have this app on your phone and you have the gift card. Now you're not going to use your own gift card. Your own gift card will be used by your down link. Okay, you'll be used by your down link. Now it's for you to copy that code I showed you. Okay, copy this code. Just click on copy. It has been copied successfully. Now give it to the person that use your down link to mine these people that are mining the airdrop I'm talking about now. Okay, and it's necessary for you to get the gift. Send your gift card so that your hash rate will be increased. And Satoshi Cole said that you should keep on collecting your hash. Okay, you should keep on increasing your hash rate because it will be useful. Anything on this apps on Satoshi are useful. Just as people say that core didn't really meet up their target, but people that mine this core, people that mine up to 1,500 core, they have made it. Okay, so don't use this app to make fund. Copy this code, give it to anybody that is under your referral. Why is it necessary to give it to your referral? Because by the time you give out this code, now the person you are sending it for will be having, sorry about this, the person you are sending this code for will be having 30k hash, while you the sender will have 1k hash. You see how it is? And one particular code, this one particular gift card is for one person for one gift card. Now you have 10 gift cards, meaning you need to send it to 10 referral team, to 10 of your referral team. If you send it to any other person, the person will just get the whole thing all for himself and you won't have any benefit. That is why it's necessary to send it to only the people on your downlink. So for me, if you want gift card from me, I can give you a gift card only if you register under my downlink. Okay, people that registered under my downlink, if you need a gift card, go to the comment Telegram channel, ask for gift card, and I will send you a gift card only if you're on my Telegram, on my team. Okay, so you go to the next one, 30k for the person you're sending to, and you have your 1k hash. Now what is this hash? What's the benefit of this hash? Which I've already explained that this is a hash here by your right hand corner here. This is the hash that Satoshi Cole, they said you should keep on getting this hash. Before, it was when you send your test call, you'll be given 3k hash. So that you should keep getting this cash because it will be useful. Okay, nothing is waste on this app. That's what, just like I said, nothing is waste. So you have total of 10 gift cards. Send this 10 gift card to each of the person you invite. Now by the time the person, how to utilize it, once the person collect this gift card, the person will see a space. You see a space here. A space is provided. Okay, now this is the space here. The person will have to click on use gift card and the place will display. This is the box here. You just have to paste the gift card that you copied. Just have to paste the gift card you copied. You cannot use your own gift card. I cannot use this. I'm just showing you for example, and then you click confirm. Once you click confirm, 1k hash will be given to you, and the person who used that you send for will be having 30k hash. This was used to increase your mining rate, but for now, mining has stopped. You only needed to you need this hash to you need, okay, let me say, you just need to increase your hash because core team said that it will be useful, that hash will be useful. I don't know what they are going to do about it, but that is what they tweeted on their official Twitter some weeks ago, that you should keep on collecting your hash, that it will be useful. Okay, so this is how to use gift card. So like I said on my Telegram channel, said that I should make a video. If you don't understand, go to the comment section and just drop a question. Send this gift card to the people on your downlink. You cannot use your own gift card. Your gift card can be used to invite people. Anybody that sign up via your referral link, send the gift card to the person. The person will get 30k hash, while you will have 1k hash. One gift card for one person, one gift card for one person. You get 1k hash, and your invitee have 30k hash. Okay, so this is just the use of gift card. Okay, and if you're there, you're not mining, or you're not mining, just if you miss call, make use of the airdrop. Mine the airdrop. Okay, just go ahead and start mining your airdrop, and send your gift card to your friends. Anybody, remember, the people on your team should be the one you are sending this gift card to. So if you know that you're registered via my link, Right there, I need a gift card, and I will send you a gift card. Once I send you the gift card, just go to you will see if you're a newbie, you have not used a gift card before, just click on use gift card, and a space will be provided. You paste in the code and then click confirm. Then a 30k hash will be given to you, and 1k hash will come to me. Okay, that's just how to use a gift card. So if you don't understand, you have a question on how to use gift card, go to the comment section and drop your question. But for the hash card can be given to anyone. Okay, but what I focus on is just to how to make use of your gift card. Okay, so don't waste your gift card, send it to your downlink. Okay, send it to your downlink. 1k hash will be given to you, 30k hash will be given to the person. And if you're there, you are not mining the airdrop, do well to mine the airdrop. Send your referral link to your friends. Send the referral. Remember that Core is still giving out Bitcoin. If I go to the Me app here, you'll see my Bitcoin balance here. Core is still giving out Bitcoin. Okay, once I get to the minimum, and I'm gonna withdraw. So Core is a very nice app. Okay, just that Core will grow. If you are not staking, go and stake your Core. Core will grow. Okay, so I'm going to stop here today. If you have any question regarding this video, go to the comment section and drop your question. Like I said, do well to remember to claim your hash rate every day. Okay, I talked about hash. You claim this hash every day. Hashtags, claim it every day. I've already claimed mine for today. So many people doesn't know that they are supposed to be claiming this hashtag daily. So do well to do that. Once you're mining your airdrop, claim your hash tags every day, and then send your gift card to your friends, people on your downlink. Remember, if you register with my referral link, go to the comment section and said I need a gift card, and I will send you a code. Once I send you a code, use it. Go to use gift card. Then one gift card is for one person. Remember, one gift card for one person. Write down the code I will be sending for you, and 30k hash will be given to you. 1k hash will come to me. So that's just it on how to make use of gift card. So I'll be stopping here today on this video. If you have any question regarding the video, go to the comment section, drop your question below. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Share this video so that people out there who doesn't know how to make use of gift card can know how to use their gift card to invite their friends. Okay, do well. Remember to send your referral link so that Bitcoin, you'll be giving Bitcoin to anybody that sign up. Like if I go to my team, people are still signing up, but they have not verified, they are not mining, they just registered, and that's all. Please, once you register, verify your face and then start mining. Do the KYC and then you start mining. So let's stop here for today. We'll come back again with another interesting video. Until then, remember, bless. I love you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the bell button, the notification bell, to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.